Hello, if you intend to buy Bluehost hosting and are you looking for maximum discount that you can get, this is what I can offer for you in a video of less than 2 minutes. Simply you can click on the link in the description below the video and you will be directed to this page, and then click here on Start Building or Host Your Site. For example, I will click on Host Your Site. As you can see, it will show you the package available for subscription with the maximum discount that you can get from Bluehost. I will not explain more than that because I know for sure that you know what you must do after that in order to complete the registration and buy the hosting. In the end, I wanted to remind you that Bluehost gives you a 30 days money back guarantee, so go ahead and create your own website without anything stopping you. And now this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.